Okay, here we go. Plugged it in, turned it on, and it connected right away. Atmospheric pressure sensor malfunction. Yeah, I did have, the tire pressure light come on, so maybe it has something to do with that. I wonder what will happen if let's go back to the beginning. Oops. DTC. What about live info? Escape. I think this will do a live info. Let's see. If I start the truck. Not sure what that is. Okay. View the data. Okay, yeah. Look at that. Live data coming in. If anybody knows how to read that. Escape. Escape. Voltage. Battery voltage. There we go. Nice. It's very responsive, this little tool here. Review DTC. Okay, yeah, just the other code, whatever that one is. Alright, that's it. Exctool OBD-II diagnostic tool. Here's the tool that it came in. And I'm trying this on an 05 Tacoma.